welcome back to Making Adventure. I am Kimi, and today we are working on another bin. This is the passenger side rear bin. I took this off earlier. Last year when we hung this on the truck, I put these I-beam shaped pieces in right here. This is so that I can take these two pieces off. This idea won't work, and I've since rethought it, and I'm gonna make another way to do the exact same thing. But I've got to weld some pieces because the mud flap stops right here. And so I need access so that the mud flap can swing freely on that side. So I have to cut that piece off and then put another reinforced piece right here and then a vertical piece right here. And all of that's going to be done on the welder, not that aluminum weld stuff, not the aluminum brazing. It's going to be welded. And so let's get this outside, get these welded up so I can get that door closed because it is cold out. Got to get the machine switched over to run aluminum again. Whenever you clip the wire on your spool, pull some back and then tuck it into one of these side holes because you do not want this to unravel. If it unravels, it could tie your spool in a knot and then you have a mess. You're likely to catch a snag when you're welding through something super critical. And then you got to stop, clean everything up, and redo your whole process over again. Make sure you tie it up so it doesn't flop. Look on your little chart on your welder, DCEP, DC electrode positive. Come down here, positive lead goes down to electrode. This is the negative lead, goes out to the ground clamp. So double check that. First time in a while I've done that. I was welding on the wrong gas. Welding aluminum calls for 100% argon, and I was not using that. And I was wondering why my welds look like poop. That's why. Yeah, that sucks. I really need to clean this garage. That is dangerous, carrying something like this through all of this crap. I'm halfway waiting for one of you guys to mention it. Actually, I'm gonna give away something. Free gift. First person to mention for me to clean my garage wins. All you have to do to apply is comment down below, say clean your garage, and subscribe. And I'll make you something and send it to you. Free. Back to this. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. That wasn't actually hot right there. I'm just messing around.